Content. Your business gobbles up content like food. Some of it is immediately consumed. Some of it is meant to last. All of it is valuable. All of it is functional. But it must be treated with respect. It must be consumed at the right time. It must be acquired, processed, managed, and stored or eradicated. It must be used carefully and responsibly, not wasted or neglected. As more and more information is being created and stored digitally, we move closer into a state of content chaos. Our appetite for content is increasing exponentially, as is the number of people who need access. The problem isn't where to store it, it's how. Let's look at your refrigerator. It's easily accessed by everyone in your house. It was built to keep your food fresher, for longer. In spite of this enormous convenience, the average family throws away about 30% of the food in their refrigerator because it has gone bad. That's an average of $600 per year. Imagine a refrigerator that could save you from this fate. One that could stretch your food dollar far beyond what you thought possible. One that knew everyone it was feeding and what they required to be as healthy as possible to operate at maximum efficiency. Now imagine it could feed thousands of people all over the world. If content is food for your business, OpenText's Content Lifecycle Management is the ultimate fridge. The ultimate fridge places food into the correct shelves and drawers for maximum preservation. The ultimate fridge works seamlessly with whatever type of kitchen you already operate in. The ultimate fridge knows who's using it and what they need. And what they don't need. The ultimate fridge complies with government health codes and standards. The ultimate fridge knows when food is approaching its expiry date and warns you.
Warning, warning.
The ultimate fridge can deep freeze food for extended periods of time, automatically if desired. The ultimate fridge disposes of items as soon as they've reached their expiry date. In the new digital economy, you'll need to adopt digital tools. You'll need enterprise content management, and if you're going to be competitive, you'll need OpenText. Oh, and you might need to take it with you.